Hey, what's up everybody? Today's quick tip is for those of you who use Glowforge Premium. I'm going to show you how to quickly make a cut line around the perimeter of an item that is not a vector already. Now you can also do this with a vector, but specifically, let's say that you wanted to cut out around the perimeter of this ghost here. This is from our Halloween DIY sign set, and I made it a raster just for this lesson. So you see that there's no cut option over here because it is not a vector. However, if you click on it, go over here to the right and to the first icon on the right side, and you see it says Create Outline. Click that. And then we're going to click Create New Outline because it won't let us adjust this slider until after we do it first. So let's do that. And you see that it already creates a red cut line for us right there around the outside of the ghost. So this would be great if that's what you're looking for. But what if you want it to be right along the perimeter of it without having an offset path? Well, we can go back and we can adjust that by typing in 0 instead of a 0.25. And now that outline is right there on the outside, and you are good to go. Of course, you can also change that to negative if for some reason you wanted to. This actually might be helpful if you said like a 0.01. Let's say you wanted to do a score line on the inside of something, just barely on the inside. You could change that to score like that, and it would be a score line just on the inside of it. And of course, you can make it further inside or outside, whichever you want. But that's a quick way to use the outline feature to put a cut line around a raster item or a vector for that matter.